Want to go right out to Skycam 9, who's now live over this incident on the Tri-State. Again, this was a semi that was traveling northbound at St. Charles Road carrying fireworks, rolled over and caught fire. You can see the fire at this point is out, but look at that mess on the Tri-State. This has all lanes shut down. Southbound traffic had 2 lanes blocked off for the response to this, but you can see that is now getting by. But all of this traffic, heard from one of our viewers, guys, who said, I've been stuck in this for 2+ hours. People just kind of stuck with nowhere to go. But further south of here, traffic is being detoured off the expressway. So just keep that in mind. Give yourself extra time. Roosevelt is where you're being detoured off at this point. You can't get back on till North Avenue. So watch for this to be very, very slow. Of course, I'll keep you posted throughout the morning.